Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename rooms on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To rename rooms to make recognizing them easier and quicker, you can simply go to the map edit button right here, then select edit room. Now tap on name and select the room that you'd like to rename. Let's say this one because it's not set to anything right now, and I'll do kitchen and click on OK. Now as you can see, they are both renamed. By the way, you can also just enter the name yourself right here. So in case you want to set it to something custom, you can also do that. Now let's save it and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.